Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Pluto TV on demand not working, apps and account troubleshooting. Fix 1. Power cycle everything. You just have to unplug your streaming device or a smart TV from the wall outlet. Unplug your internet router and modem. You have to wait 60 seconds and plug your router back in and wait for the lights to turn solid. Plug your TV device back in and open the Bluetooth TV. Fix to force stop and clear the app cache. Smart TV streaming devices like Roku, Fire TV, Android TV, Google TV. Just navigate to device setting and select app. Then find and select Bluetooth TV. Then choose force stop and clear cache. On a web browser, you have to open the web browser settings. Then there you have to navigate to privacy and security and click on clear browsing data. Then select cache, image and files, click on clear data. Fix 3. Reinstall the app. Uninstall the Bluetooth TV app completely from your device. Restart your device to clear the system memory. Reload Bluetooth TV from the official App Store like Apple App Store or Google Play Store, Roku Channel Store or Amazon App Store. Fix 4. Check for system updates. Access the main setting menu on your device. Select the option for system, then about or software update. You just have to click on check for update, install any pending software update. Thanks for watching.